As a cyclist, a collision with a careless driver can leave you with serious injuries and enormous hospital bills. Filing an injury claim may be the only way to prevent you and your family from having to cover those expenses. You'll need to prepare for a lawsuit from the very start. Right after an accident, if you're physically able, you can strengthen your case by collecting evidence on the scene. Call 911 and get checked out by the paramedics. Take photos of the car, your bike, and your injuries. Get contact information from witnesses and exchange information with the driver. Later, your Maison Law bike accident lawyer will investigate your crash and gather all remaining evidence to build a strong case. Once the case is built, your lawyer will submit the claim to the driver's insurance company. If the driver's car insurance company refuses to provide the support you need, your lawyer will prepare to file a lawsuit and take the insurer to court. The evidence that's been collected will be critical to your chances of convincing a judge and jury that the driver was fully to blame and that the driver's insurance provider is 100% accountable. Maison Law advocates for cyclist rights in Stockton and across California. We'll fight against the insurance company to make sure you receive a fair settlement for your injuries. Maison Law offers free consultations to all injured bicyclists, so give us a call today.